Number 6, what is given? Acha, just wait for a minute. Given in question number 6. All of you have the book with you too?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Is the screen visible to you properly?
Hazy.
Hazy, yes. Acha, this page to already yesterday done up to 5, okay? But from question
Ma'am,
number
I
6, this
cannot
page is
see
clear.
the page.
This page? From question number 6?
No, ma'am, I cannot see.
Ma'am, you can tell the page number.
Page number 56. Don't worry, I'll explain and I'll explain each and every sum, okay? Acha, now question number 6. Multiple is given. Basically, multiple means it is done to in the first chapter. Basically,
Yes,
exactly. Suppose multiple of 18. Then, basically, which number, those number to which this 18 divides, that are called multiple. This is the definition.
Ma'am, which page number?
Page number, how many times I'll say? 56. Okay, suppose multiple of 7 means those number to which this 7 will divide. 7 can divide. Okay. Acha, for 18, 36 is a multiple of 18 because 18 can divide 36, completely divide. But in case of suppose 6 will be multiple. Yes or no?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No. 6 will be multiple of 18. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, it will be.
Yes, ma'am.
Listen to me very carefully. 6 is the multiple of 18 or factor? Which one?
No, ma'am, factor.
Factor. Then why are you saying yes? I have asked 6 is the multiple of 18. No. Basically, what is the difference between factor and multiple? Look. Suppose I am taking 6 and 18. Okay. Look. Here, 6 can completely divide 18. Na? That means 18 is the multiple of 6. But 18 is divisible by those number is called factor. Suppose 18 is divisible by 6 too. We are getting 3. That means 6 is the factor and the greater one is multiple. Understood too? Always the smaller one is the
Yes,
factor
ma'am.
which divide. And to whom we are dividing, that greater number is multiple. Now you can remember this to all of you.
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Yes. Okay. Now question number 6, multiple of 24. Okay, directly you can write the answer, just like look at the D and E. I have written directly, okay. But for the first question only, I am showing the process. That 24 into 1, 24 into 2, 24 into 3 in this way, okay. But you can just calculate it in the rough and directly you can put the value, okay. Then
But ma'am, I have shown.
Yes, no issue, beta. Okay. Acha, Ujan, connect to your, yes. Orgodeep completed. The first one, then why are you sitting? Acha, for 24 only C, D, E I am doing. A and B is your homework. Understood?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Acha, multiple of 30. As it is 30, it will be very much easy. No need to even multiply. Just read the table of 3.
And put a 0 after
Zero.
every number.
Yes. Acha, multiple of 36. Then just do the calculation in the rough part. 36 means 1. 36 into 1, 36. The number itself, acha, one more thing. For a number, the number itself is a factor as well as multiple. Understood too? That means 36 is a factor of itself and 36 is a multiple of 36 itself. Got it too?
Yes, ma'am.
This type of question may come in the practice set, okay? That Saturday weekly test, okay? Acha, now C, D and E. Complete these three, then number 7.
Ma'am,
Okay. Done. Okay.
Ma'am, done.
Acha, number 7 is given.
Ma'am, not done.
Acha, okay, I am waiting.
Ma'am, I have a question.
Yes, say.
Yes, ma'am. In the sixth number, ma'am, we have to show the rough in exam.
6th number means which one? Number
Ma'am,
six
find
or
a multiple.
6D? No, I told to just calculate it in the rough portion, okay? Then
Okay,
write
ma'am.
the answer. No need
Okay,
to
ma'am.
show it for multiple.
Ma'am, can I say one word in Bengali?
In Bengali, it is so not allowed. In Hindi, you can say.
मैम हम अगर मैम वो कैलकुलेशन हमारे अगर मुंह में हो जाए मैंने मन में हो जाए मैम क्या वो हमें
Okay,
करना
okay.
पड़ेगा?
No. Mind calculation. You can do mind calculation, okay?
ओके मैम.
Acha, mute yourself. From whom the sound is coming? Yes. Now good.
Ma'am, do we need to mention that why are the numbers the common factor in question number 7, ma'am?
Yes. Here in question number 7, basically this type of question will come and is important for the exam.
मैम that
This
yes, I have
multiple factor,
mentioned.
this type of, this easy question, these are not important for the exam. Okay, from question number 7, these are very much important. Okay, got it? Now let me explain number 7th one from. Okay, it is given co-prime. Acha, already I explained the co-prime.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
If there is only one common factor, that is 1, the number 1 itself. If 1 is the only common factor of two numbers, then these two numbers are called co-prime. Now, question number 7a. Look, 4 and 5. Acha, how to do it? Already I also explained the process. We have to break it into prime factorization. 4 means 2 2s are 1 and 2 1 is 2. So 4 means 2 into 2 into 1. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
5 means 5 is itself a prime number, na? So 5 1 is 5 only. So 5 into 1. Now we have to check which one is common in both of them. Look, in 4, the numbers are 2 into 2 into 1, the prime factorization breaking. Here, 5 into 1. Only 1 is the common na in both of them. So,
Yes, ma'am.
1 is the only common factor of 4 and 5. That means these two numbers are co-prime. If only 1 is the common factor, then it is co-prime. Understood? Now, let me explain number B. 12, let me break these two numbers into prime factorization. 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6, then 3 1. Yes? And what is about 15? 3 5s are 15. Then 5 1. You can stop here, no issue. Okay. Acha, now What to do? 12 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 1, and 15 is equal to 2 in, not 2, this is 3, right? 3 into 5 into 1. Now, which one is common in both of them?
Ma'am, 3 and 1.
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, Ujan, which one is common in both of them?
Ma'am, 3 and 1.
This 3, yes. This one is common. And this 1 also, right?
Ma'am, it is not co-prime.
These are not co-prime because rather than
Because-
1, yes, say.
Ma'am, 1 and
Say,
3 are common factors.
yes,
That's why.
and that's why rather than 1, we have also one more common factor, right? That is 3.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
to? Acha. So write the reason here, huh? Number B, look. Common factors are 1 and 3. So 12 and 15 are not co-prime number.
Ma'am, done.
Done? Acha, question number 7. Up to F you have to do, huh? I'm showing you the full screen, but try to do it yourself.
I've already done.
All the questions?
Wait, ma'am, I am doing. Wait, ma'am, I am doing.
Acha, again the sound, the noises are coming. You are
Ma'am,
matching
yes,
it.
Ma'am, I think someone is watching TV.
Ma'am, from Sneha Pan.
Acha, one thing let me explain, huh? That is, let me say basically, if you are not turning on your camera, then I will mark you as absent. Okay? Then don't say why ma'am marked me absent. Okay? Reazuddin, Orpon, Shayon, Anushka, Tuhinur. Achha, now for number E I am explaining. 42 and 48. Just break it into prime factorization. 42, 221 is 42, then 3 sevens are 21. And for 48, 224 is 48, then 2 12s are 24, 2 6, 2 3, and 3 1. That means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 1. And in case of 42, we are getting 2 into 3 into 7 into 1. So common factor, this one, 1 1, also 1 2 and 1 3. Just wait. And these 2. That means so many common factors are there. Yes, though. So these are also not co-prime number.
Ma'am, you can repeat again. Ma'am, I do not know how you have do this one.
Which one? Number E?
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, okay. Look, acha, up to D, all of you done though?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Number E, basically we have to break this two number into prime factorization. 42, if we are breaking, look, 221 is 42. Then by 3 sevens are 21,
But ma'am-
7 1 is 7. Yes,
But
sir.
ma'am, I want to tell you something. But ma'am,
Yes,
first
sir.
I have find all the factors of the number and then I do that co-prime number.
No
finding the
issue.
common.
No issue, but this one is the most easiest process, you know. If you break it into prime factorization, that one will be always the most easiest process. Okay.
Yes, ma'am, I know, but ma'am, I can do this.
Ha,
that I
yes,
have
you
done.
can do it. You can do it, beta.
Ma'am, Trisha is saying about long division.
No, no, no. First, for each and every number, for 42, all the factors. Okay.
Yes,
In
ma'am.
this way.
Yes.
Suppose 1, 2, in this way, all the factors. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
And then for 48, all the factors. Then common factors he is finding. Got it though?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, instead of
Acha,
division,
now
there will be multiplication.
what?
No, ma'am, nothing.
Nothing. Acha.
Ma'am, she's asking
Have you
that,
completed
ma'am,
up
it
to
is
here?
long division.
No, no, no.
Yes.
Acha.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Acha, okay.
No, ma'am. I am doing the FF.
Complete up to A first. Acha, those who have completed, they can show me their copy, huh? Question number 8. Let me explain. Some numbers are given. We have to check the divisibility rules for the following numbers. Okay. Whether the numbers are divisible by 3, 6 or 9. 3, 6 and 9. Individually, we have to check. Okay. Acha. One thing, suppose a number is divisible by 9, then it is divisible by 3 also. Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Suppose a number is divisible by 8. Exactly, because 3 is a factor of 9. But the opposite thing, the reverse. Suppose a number is divisible by 3, then it doesn't matter that, it doesn't mean that that is also divisible by 9. Give an example, 6. 6 is divisible by 3, but it is not divisible by 9. Okay? But here we are not going to follow that process, just normal by rules of division, rules of divisibility. Okay? We have to check it. Acha, number D, E, F I have done. Okay, here number D, E and F.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Ah, yes, say.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the first number that is D8D. Ma'am, we can see that by 6 the number is not divisible. But ma'am, still you have done by 9. So ma'am, is it mandatory? Because if one number is not divisible, then the others, if others is possible, then also the total number will be not
Basically,
divisible.
no. Here I have done the whole thing. Why, you know? Because in the exam, these three will not come together. Understood?
Oh.
Individually, either this one will come or this one. Then so you have to complete the whole thing now. That's why I explained all the answers. Okay? Understood though?
Yes, ma'am.
Basic. Okay. Acha, by 3, first let me explain the first one. The number is given 10,413. By 3 means we have to just add rules of 3. 1 plus 0, 1 plus 4, 5 plus 1, 6 plus 3, 9. The sum is 9. So, which is divisible by 3? Hence, the given number, that is 10,413, is also divisible by 3. Divisible by 3, understood? Now divisible by 6. Look, already by 6 means what? 6 is equal to 2 into 3 na? So we have to check by 2 and by 3. We have to check whether the number is divisible by 2 as well by 3. Now by 3 to already we checked. Now you will say, ma'am, do I need to do by 3 again? But the question which I just now explained to Divyanka, the question will not come together. Okay, so for each and every sum, do it individually. Understood though? Okay. Now by 3, by 2, as the number is 10,413. The unit place digit or ones place digit is 3. So it is odd number. So not divisible by 2. So not divisible by 2. As it is not divisible by 2, so no need to explain for, no need to show for 3. 1 is not divisible means what? The given number will not be divisible by 6 also. Yes, no?
But ma'am,
Hi, yes,
but
same.
ma'am, I have done in another process, ma'am. Ma'am, like for one, ma'am, I have first doing the first three, ma'am. Divisibility
First 3,
rule,
then
ma'am.
2.
No,
then
ma'am,
2.
I have done. First, I have added the number what I gave, ma'am. Then it is not divisible by 3. I have written. Then I have done that. It is also
Look,
not
Trisha,
divisible by 3.
let me explain. If you are doing first by 3, no issue. First by 2, no issue. Okay. All of you listen to me. There will be no problem. But when you are doing by 3, if it is not, then to okay, stop here. But if it is yes, then again you have to do by 2. Now, Trisha, you are saying that this one is not divisible by 3. But it is
No.
divisible by 3. Then you have
No,
done
ma'am,
any
I am
mistake.
showing you one of my
One another question. Okay. Acha, right now I'll see it. Don't worry. At the end of the class, okay. At first complete. Let me complete this one. Because when the syllabus will not be completed, then you will also say me, ma'am, the syllabus is not over. Yes, to Amitra ji. Okay. Just make us smile. Okay, now by 9. Okay. 9 means what? The same thing. Add. The addition is what? 9. So 9 is divisible by 9. Hence, acha, by 9 is not written over there. It will be by 9, huh? Which is divisible by 9. Hence, this one is divisible by 9. Completed? Number D?
Please wait, I am right.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I am just moving.
No, ma'am, wait,
the
I am
screen a
writing.
little. Okay, I am moving the screen a little. Okay. I mute yourself. Oof. Just like class 1 to child. Oof.
Ma'am, we are child only.
Ah. And if Shita is a naughty girl. Okay, complete it.
Okay, ma'am, completed.
Acha, all of you
Ma'am,
number D.
that's
Ashmita, Anuva, number D completed too. Okay, good.
No, ma'am, wait 5 minutes.
Shafin, Orgodip, Shaur Jashish. Rifa, where are you?
Yes, ma'am, completed.
Okay. Now number E and F, complete it. First,
Ma'am,
yes.
ma'am, I was telling that I have sent you a message in the school app. Have you seen?
When have you sent? Today?
No, ma'am, yesterday. You to
Okay,
you
I'll check
personally,
it.
ma'am.
Oh,
Okay,
okay,
ma'am.
I'll check it. Don't worry. Acha, next number E again. The same thing by 3, just we have to add them. The addition is 25, na? Not divisible by 3. So the given number is also not divisible by 3. Now by 6. Acha, already though we have here got not divisible by 3. So in this question, Trisha, you told me na, in this question, you can do 3 not divisible by 3 first. Then even no need to check for 2. But if the questions are not giving together, suppose 3 and 6, individually only by 6 is coming, then you have to continue this process, rules of divisibility by 6. Okay? Tuhinu done?
Wait, I am writing, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Now
Yes,
by
ma'am.
9 again, Just add them. Addition is 25, which is not divisible by 9. Acha, suppose I am doing C, D, E, F or D, E, F. Okay, then the rest questions are your homework. Huh? A, B is your homework. A, B, C in this way. The number F, question number F, let me explain, then I'll check each and everyone's copy. Arpon, have you understood though?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, question number F. Okay. I'm starting to explain. Okay. Look, it is given like 9,99,999, right? So we have to check whether it is divisible by 3 or 9. Even by seeing the number, you can easily say this one is divisible by 9 as well as 3. Yes, though? Without
Yes,
any
ma'am.
calculation.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
but you have to
Yes, ma'am.
calculate it. Okay. Because for descriptive type of question, you have to show it. Show the explanation. Okay, now look. Just add them. The addition is 54, which is divisible by 3, hence the number. And for 9 also. The addition 54, which is divisible by 9, hence the original number divisible by 9. Now for by 6. Just do the first point. Complete the first point. The ones place digit is 9 too, which is an odd number. So not divisible by 2. Yes, though. Or put the last unit place digit is yes. So not divisible by 2. So even with hence no need to check for 3. Here already I have written, huh? No need to check for 3. So the number we can easily say the number is not divisible by 6. Complete this one first. Now those who have completed, they can show me their copy. Divyanka, Debolin, Junaid,